Welcome to JoJo's Greetings Business Plan and Proposal. My name is Joanna Reyes, and I was interested in greeting cards. So, greeting cards are a large industry, and were designed to keep people connected. Added a very personal touch to writing letters in the old days. Communication is basic key to any business, family, and even personal life. So that's what interested me in this business venture. My executive summary, Greetings can market the products and services for large corporations with multiple designs. The focus is to put smiles on people's faces and keep them connected during the current pandemic, and other times. Offering complimentary greetings for victims of COVID-19 is a part of our outreach to help the community. Finding great candidates for JoJo's greetings will include careful screening, background checks, and following the regulations for hiring. I have purchased a liability insurance plan for protecting the assets and liabilities. The corporation will have shareholders with the potential to have a net worth of 1.5 million or more. So the company, JoJo's Greetings is to be the highest greeting cards company in the region by increasing the quality in products, reputation with clients as well as employees. By looking closely at the demands for certain cards, such as the save the dates, holiday cards, the business will determine which type of cards are fit for the market in the future. There are many people ordering items online, more so than before. So JoJo's Greetings is to be the highest greeting card company in the region. The mission is to bring joy, inspiration, and smiles into hundreds of homes by providing a platform to design, print, and send greetings to loved ones. Product and shipping. The greeting card options online feature choices of the type of paper, cards, and shipping timelines. There are special designs, very elegant ones to, downscale ones. As you can see in my example, there's a famous, save the date cards and the different types of paper. So who is our market? Research showed that the card industry focuses on families due to the volume in orders for the holiday times. The average greeting card ranges from $2 to $3, which we will compete with. We might probably get half the price in the beginning just to make it a way to appeal for our clients and customers. And as mentioned before, during this pandemic, JoJo's Greetings will offer complimentary cards. We will definitely reach out to hospitals, to people who have loved ones there, and offer them to send things there. Facebook is a good way to market our products. The target market are mainly families, as I said before. The ads will be placed in the social media platform to get our logo out there, and also, the potential marketing for that is a big platform on the social media, regular ads, and we will have commercials as well. The only setback as far as the market analysis goes with our products is the consumer product safety reports that we have seen for this industry is possessing jewels, lead, and paint. So we will be careful in analyzing our products and making sure that they are safe. There's no hazards to them. Organization and management. So as of right now, in the beginning, the owner, me, will take care of the financials, calls, designs, and sending out the orders. As the company expands, there will be 5 departments that take care of all of these duties. The people that we will be hiring will have the potential to have a grace probationary period of 6 months, and then they will be benefiting from contributing to a 401k, as well as me and the company will contribute to that, health and dental benefits, vacation, and sick time. We want to make sure that the company is a company that follows the state of California regulations and laws, as well as a good company to work for. We want to take care of our employees. Funding. So we're looking for investors to put about 1/4 of investment into the greeting card business. The total amount of capital needed to start is about $200,000. The other funding comes from my personal savings, multiple grants from local, federal, and state funding. What I learned is that there are more women who are in business and a lot more funding for them as well. A lot of grant programs out there that will fund. I also have savings. What we need you for is to put your heart and put your money into this investment because it will potentially grow, and you will have invested into something where you can profit about 5 to 10%. Our financial projections. So these projections are shares from the financial revenue increasing over time. There's a list of assets, liabilities, and revenue in comparison on the chart right there. Over the years, the liabilities lessen as the revenue increases. The assets are the printers, computers, cutters, which take up about 1/4 of the company's income with maintenance. The liabilities include the salaries needed, utilities, loans, and other costs. The revenue, however, you can see I projected it out every 5 years. 2020, it will be down. It has a potential of about 154,000, and then we have in 2025 it's increasing up to 2030. We could see this company going very far. So these are references and resources. I obtained a lot of information from the Greeting Card Association, the Department of Labor, Entrepreneurship by Steve Klaus, asked for funding, and also articles regarding the greeting card industry, facts and figures. We also investigated the OSHA Safety and Health Administration guidelines to ensure that everything that we have done for the company is within the guidelines. If you have any questions, let me know.